In this example, we're converting 37.8 inches into centimeters. We're going to use the factor label method to do that. That's what we use in this course for conversions, and as you'll learn later, we use it for a lot of other things. So you need to get familiar with it now so that you're not confused later on. Okay, in the factor label method, we take the number we want to convert, 37.8 inches, and we make it a fraction by putting it over 1. Then we multiply that fraction by the number 1. But we find a very creative way to express the number 1 so that the units work out properly. To find this creative way to express the number 1, we have to find a relationship between the two units. Well, if we look in the table, we find that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. That's the conversion relationship between inches and centimeters. It also gives us a way to express the number 1 in a creative fashion. If I take either side of the equal sign and put it over the other, I have a fraction that equals 1. So I could take 1 inch and put it over 2.54 centimeters, or I could take 2.54 centimeters and put it over 1 inch, and each of those would be a fraction that means 1. Which one do I use? Well, let's think about how the units have to work out. I want to get rid of the unit inches, right? I want to get rid of inches and make centimeters. Well, if I look at the fraction I already have, 37.8 inches over 1, inches is on the top. If I want inches to cancel, the only way I can do that is in this fraction, put inches on the bottom. That will allow inches to cancel. Well, if inches goes on the bottom, that means 1 inch is on the bottom and 2.54 centimeters is on the top. So our fraction is 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. Now, if I take the number I want to convert, 37.8 inches over 1, and multiply by the fraction I just figured out, 2.54 over 1 inch, then what we see is the inches cancel. Inches on the top on the left-hand fraction cancel with inches on the bottom on the right-hand fraction. All right? That gets rid of the unit inches, and what's left? Centimeters. That's what I wanted. So now all I have to do is take the numbers and multiply them out. 37.8 over 1 times 2.54 over 1 equals 96.012. That's the number. What's the unit? Centimeters. It's the only unit that's left. So our final answer then is 96.012 centimeters.